Hello everybody, I'm back with a new topic about integrative review. I hope you like this presentation because there are different types of review, which are traditional review, systematic review, umbrella review, rapid review, qualitative review, mixed method review, specific types of review like systematic review, narrative literature review, critical reviews, integrative review. So integrative review is one of the different types of reviews. Therefore, I would like to introduce how can you conduct an integrative review, having 5 phases from problem identification, literature search, data evaluation, data analysis, and presentation of findings. In most cases, integrative review stage or phases are almost similar with other scoping review or systematic review. So all other review may pass through these stages. However, the purpose, the scope, the eligibility criteria, and other detail pointers can be a distinct character for each types of review. Therefore, the aim of integrative review is to provide a comprehensive understanding of a topic. Some types of reviews, such as systematic reviews or qualitative synthesis, are limited to empirical studies using specific research design. However, integrative review include any types of article, includes empirical and theoretical literature, and include studies based on varied research designs. Because these reviews include multiple sources of information, they can lead to a better understanding of complex concept theories and the state of science on a topic. Hence, integrative review provide a holistic perspective about a research problem, which is a broader, including several types of articles. In conducting an integrative review, it is different. It includes different framework, but the most common and well-known framework which includes these five stages. When I come to the detail for each one, for example, for the first, problem identification, an integrative review, it's almost similar with other reviews. Begin with a description of the problem, identifying the problem. What is your research problem? Selecting the research problem through different techniques, through observation or brainstorming, take previous experience, scanning the environment, and other ways. You can identify research problem or any gaps that you want to address. So here, the concept, the target population, and healthcare problem to be addressed in the review should be elaborated or described in problem identification section. For an integrative review, such variable like concepts, target population, healthcare problem indicate the need to examine a broad range of study types and literature, which is not be limited only to an empirical study only, but it includes every empirical and theoretical related literature. The second phase, after you identify your research problem, you can search literature from different sources to ensure that the search is comprehensive. Multiple databases should be searched. You should access several databases. You can access more than 10, 8, 7 databases. And you can also search Google Scholar and other websites if you want to include Grey literature. And sometimes you have to search articles from the reference lists of the included articles. Hence, it's also important to identify Grey literature on the topic that is unpublished thesis or dissertations, conference presentations that may not have been published, white papers, and other papers. So an integrative review in searching literature, what makes it different from systematic review is any kind of articles may be included in integrative review, published, unpublished, conference abstracts, booklet, and other Grey literature. The third one is data evaluation. Data evaluation, actually, before data evaluation, you may undergo data extraction. You have to extract the main characteristics from included articles. I mean, the main characteristic means the main concept that you want to address, the main issues that you want to answer in your research questions. That is data evaluation. So data evaluation involves assessing or examining the quality of individual studies and other types of literature in the review. Reviewers have the option of retaining all studies meeting inclusion criteria regardless of quality, but a quality assessment can contribute to the interpretation of results where studies of low quality typically are given less weight, because integrative reviews include both quantitative and qualitative studies. The evaluation of individual studies requires using different methodologies consistent with the types of research. The fourth step is data analysis. In data analysis stage, findings relevant to the purpose of the review are extracted from reports using a standardized template to ensure thoroughness and consistency. Prior to data analysis, you have to extract data. To extract data, you have to develop data extraction sheet or format that the reviewer or all members of the research team should agree or prepare the data extraction format. So following extraction, you and the team compares what is found across reports to interpret and synthesize results. Analysis typically entails multiple strategies, including simple count or any percentage or any number of studies using different design, number of studies across different settings, number of studies having a small sample size or large sample size, a number of studies with original studies, reviews, conference abstracts, something. So that is what we call characteristics of included articles. And you can also synthesize the main findings. Therefore, the data analysis that you can use may depend on your prior plan. You should have plan how to analyze data. Finally, presentation of findings. Presentation of findings involves or includes findings of review, which are presented with conclusion. To ensure accurate and complete reporting, you should refer to relevant reporting guidelines in reporting your findings. So there are several reporting guidelines like Equator Network, which enhance the quality and transparency of health research. Presentation of findings strengthens the overall quality of the review if quality checks accompany each stage of process through the participation of multiple individuals in the review process. However, integration of review strengthens this overall quality if you follow the reporting checklist, well-known reporting checklist. Typically, quality checks include reaching consensus on the final sample, reviewing extraction for accuracy and completeness, and concurring on the interpretation of results. So all these are very important and helpful in conducting an integrative review. Or these are the main structures that you can follow to conduct integrative review. So due to the comprehensiveness of the literature search that forms the foundation of an integrative review, it is important that a research librarian is involved in the project and the research team is organized from the outset. The initial search may return hundreds or thousands, and for some topics more than thousands of citation. So limiting your search strategy is very important. You can consult the librarian. Generally, overall, integrative reviews provide a comprehensive understanding of certain topic. However, systematic review limited to empirical studies using a specific research design. Integrative reviews include both empirical and theoretical literature and research that has varied designs. This broader and more varied literature often leads to better understanding of the topic. So follow these 5 steps. Each steps or stages has several fragmented activities. Therefore, finally you can conduct integrative review. Thanks so much for watching. Please add your comment to improve future presentation. Thanks.